Hi there, and welcome to StockSync. You can update or add description to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select the description from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. You can add custom text and multiple column to map. For example, if the feed contains the description in one column and details of the product, such as ingredient and weight, in another column, you can add the custom text as follows. For the description field settings, you can set the case convert to change the description casings. By default, the process won't do any conversion. However, you can choose to convert all to lowercase uppercase, Tiley's case, or clean up all HTML tags from the value in the feed file. The find and replace allows you to replace any word or phrase from the feed with the value that you have added. For example, replace the description mailer. English pear with fresh flower. Simply enter with on find field and enter of in replace field. You can only update description if the description in the store is empty. This option only available on the update product feed. Wrap each column mapped in paragraphs with p tag or any from the list. This is applicable when there are multiple columns matched for description field. This option only applicable when there is label mapping. Convert new line to break line is used when description value has new line. However, in the product listing only allows break line. Enable set to blank when value in feed is blank to avoid dash on description. Value 0 in not blank. Hide label when value is 0. Therefore, any additional label matching that has value 0 will not be displayed instead of displaying as 0. This option only applicable when there is label mapping. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.